Hey everyone, holidays are here, and today I'm going to share with you Golden Granola. Golden because it has my favorite spice, turmeric, and this is a great gift to be able to give to loved ones, family members. It's really a nice alternative to cookies during this time. You know, people are really relieved to get a nice, healthier alternative to cookies. So we've got 2 cups of rolled gluten-free oats. We're going to add that to a bowl. And then we've got our seeds. So today I'm going to use hemp seeds, which give you a lot of protein. I've got a 1/4 cup of hemp seeds. And then I've got a 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds, good source of zinc, which is so good for your immune system this time of year. We've got ground flax seeds, full of fiber, 1/4 cup. And then a 1/4 cup of walnuts, my favorite nut. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Then we're going to mix that together. And then we're going to make the liquid here. We've got 1/3 cup of coconut oil. I'm going to add that to a skillet and melt that. And then a 1/3 cup of maple syrup. That's going to make it nice and sweet. This can be a breakfast, this can be a treat, kind of like a dessert. Okay, 1/3 cup. And then I think maybe I did a little less. Okay. Then we've got our turmeric, ground turmeric. Why? Because why not? It's going to make it a beautiful golden hue, and it's anti-inflammatory. We can all use the anti-inflammatory effects this time of year. A tablespoon of turmeric also improves the mood. A study showed that it was superior to Prozac in its antidepressant effects. It can even, I'm going to add ginger and cinnamon. And I'm going to whisk that together. So turmeric improves cognition, it improves our mood, it enhances the effectiveness of certain antidepressants, and it reduces inflammation. So our joints really like turmeric. Reduces pain. I'm going to add a little salt and some pepper. Pepper enhances the bioavailability of turmeric. It makes it more absorbable. And then a fat makes it more absorbable too. And we've got the coconut oil as the fat, and the seeds and the nuts and the granola. So it's nice mixed together. That was quick and easy. Now we've got our little sauce here, and I'm going to add that to the dry ingredients. Wait to see how beautiful this is. And I'm going to mix this together. A beautiful golden hue, and we're going to bake at 325 for 15 minutes. And you're going to want to put parchment on here. I always use parchment, makes it for easier cleanup. You're going to want to flip it halfway through. So about 7-8 minutes in, you're going to flip, just kind of mix it around, make sure it evenly gets cooked. And then I'll show you, so we'll put it into the oven, and then I'll show you the end product here. I've got this beautiful, look at that beautiful golden hue. And so then you can put it into a mason jar like this, tie a little ribbon around it, nice festive gift to loved ones. The gift of health.